Is there ever such a thing as free money? Well, some looked at the stimulus checks that way because you're not required to pay them back and you're not taxed at the federal level. But it turns out they are being taxed at the state level here in Oregon, which came as a big surprise to many. Lindsay Nadrick's joining us to explain. Lindsay, interesting story here.
It is, and as people are starting to file their taxes, they're finding out that that stimulus money they got isn't really tax-free after all. That's because the state of Oregon is collecting tax on it when you file your state income tax return.
Economic impact payments that people received are non-taxable income. So that will not affect, they will not reduce your refund or anything of that nature.
That's great news for people who only have to file federal taxes, like people who live and work in Washington. But the same can't be said for those of us in Oregon who also have to file a state income tax return.
There are I believe five states that have a federal tax subtraction, which is normally a great thing because it reduces your income on your state return. But in this situation, it is impacting them by potentially not reducing their income.
So what does that mean?
You will pay 8.75% of whatever you received as stimulus.
The easiest way to explain this is to give you a hypothetical example. First, to figure out how much you will owe, take the amount of your stimulus payment and multiply it by Oregon's state tax rate of 8.75%. So, for example, a single person in Oregon likely received $1,800 in stimulus payments. Multiply $1,800 by Oregon's state tax rate of 8.75, and you get $157.50. This is the amount you will end up paying the state when you file. So if you typically get a refund of $200, this year you would only get $42.50 back. If you typically get a refund of, say, $100, this year you would end up owing $57.50.
People are surprised. I was the first one to be surprised because I'm doing taxes and I see this number is different. I'm like, why is this number different? So when I look at it, then I realize that. And yes, I've had a few of my clients, raise the same concern. How is this fair?
How is this fair? The Oregon Department of Revenue told me they're following current law and that the same thing happened with the stimulus payments people got in 2008. Well, a family that got even more in stimulus could end up owing the state hundreds of dollars. I did learn, though, that this won't impact lower income folks who don't have a federal tax liability and higher income folks who are already above the federal tax subtraction limit. Reporting live, I'm Lindsay Nadrich, KOIN 6 News.
Wow, Lindsay, thank you.